All right, guys, we're back at the Smelly House. Unfortunately, we've had a couple of hiccups. Started running the water, noticing water in the basement. I was curious what was going on because we did test all the plumbing when we were renovating. Threw 5-gallon buckets down the drain, no issues, everything went. So we called drain cleaning company. They came out, cleaned the drain. They came out to about here and couldn't get any further. So they gave me a call. They were like, hey, we couldn't clean it out completely. There's something there. We need to come and camera it. So they came and cameraed it. I'll try to put that up on this video, maybe towards the end, so you guys can kind of see what we ran into if you're curious. But anyways, long story short, they came out here and they were like, the line is collapsed. And as you can see here, look, I mean, you see the ground's level and here's the sidewalk, and all of a sudden you have a massive dip here and you have this. They came out, unfortunately, this is, I think I got quoted the highest at 5,300, lowest at 5,100. It's expensive, needless to say. I mean, that's a significant chunk. So yeah, unfortunately, big hiccup. And to add to that, our HVAC it's working, but it's kind of dying. I'm gonna have to replace that too. So we were looking at the $7,000 cost there. So it's gonna hurt regardless, no matter how you cut it. So anyways, this is what they found. The line comes out of the house and then the ground shifted. So they marked this white box here to show that the ground has shifted and where the pipe is. So it came out and the shift isn't too bad, but when you come here, it's just the camera submerges and it doesn't go any further. At this point, they have to dig 8.5 feet down to 9 feet to get to the pipe. So they're gonna have some heavier equipment out here to do that. I hope nothing is wrong at the street sewer, but there's that. This is not a storm drain. We've had 2 or 3 guys come out here and tell us with good confidence this isn't a storm drain, but I've never seen grass grow on asphalt, so that's never a good sign. But from there to there, it's going to be a little pricey, but I have to get it done. It works for now because it's mainly water and it's kind of dissipating into the ground, but give it a week or 2 and we're going to have big issues. So just wanted to update you guys on the Smelly House and the aftermath. All right, guys, here's the video of the drain line getting cameraed that I promised you guys. You'll notice at the end of the clip that it just dips into a pool of water and covers the camera lens. So it's definitely blocked. That's kind of what it's showing. You'll see it going clear past everything, and yeah, we need to get that fixed.